Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Insight. Here you will find information regarding IT jobs, programming languages, interview questions, and much more. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon. Let's start our video on daily job updates. So again a testing job. This is from MCAT. So the company name is Amagi Media Labs Private Limited. Location would be Bangalore. Here's a very good package for test engineers and it is completely for freshers. Let's jump on to the details. Course specialization they are looking for is BE BTech in CS, IT, ECE or MCA. Target batch is 2019. That's a very good opportunity for 2019 people. Salary is 4 to 5 lakh per annum. There is no bond. Tentative date of interview will be communicated post registration is closed. Now the skills requirement. Technology used in these products are AWS, Linux, AV code, encode, decode, C++, it should be C++, Python, Perl, Shell script, expect Java, ROR. So they'll be having multiple technical rounds and HR round. So their interview will be quite strong. Job that is from retail me not INC, that is a software engineer in test job. Apply button is given over here. Let's jump on the details. So the demand is you should have at least 1 year of experience in software engineer in test with some automation experience or comparable development experience. So basically they are looking for testing profile with automation experience preferred. You have a bachelor degree in computer science, a bachelor degree in STEM field or equivalent self-study for computer science. And they are looking for you enjoy collaborative with other design and deliver successful solution. You have been digging, developing and testing native web applications. So that is their requirement and apply button is over here. So the next company is Honeywell. They are hiring quality engineer. Let's jump on to the details. So you should be having graduation, post-graduation in electronics or relevant technical degree in electronics or instrumentation engineering. Should have minimum total work experience of 2 to 3 years, out of which minimum 0 to 4 years as process quality role with manufacturing or engineering background. So this is I think this is not for the proper IT. They are looking for manufacturing or engineering background. So proficiency with Microsoft Excel, spreadsheet development and analysis, effective problem solving, root cause analytics to lead and influence others to drive change, cross functionality and global. Let's jump on to the another job is from Kerner. They are hiring technical support engineer. The location would be Bangalore, Karnataka. The basic qualification is include bachelor's or master's degree in computer science, computer engineering or related field or equivalent work experience, at least 1 year of experience with operating systems like Linux, Windows or open for freshers. That means freshers can apply, there is no need for the experience. Preferred qualification includes at least 1 year of work experience with monitoring solutions like Insight Remedy and BMC Patrol. Expectations are willing to work in shifts, additional or irregulars are night shift as needed and allowed by local regulations. So you should be ready with these things. Yeah, so here is only the apply button. I was searching it down over there, but it was at the top. So last job is from Miners Incorporation, hiring for software test engineer. Again a testing job. Experience needed is 1 to 2 years. Degree needed is BE, BTech, MCA or any other degree. Job description includes 1 to 2 year of experienced candidate with good skills required. Written test cases, identifying software problems, perform functional GUI testing, that is graphic user interface, Selenium, JMeter, SOAP, UI, SQL database, knowledge in performance testing, loading testing, automate testing, the document analyze bug, errors found during test, recommended improvement in software to enhance the user experience. Interested candidate can drop their resume or cover letter to this email ID and I will be giving all the links of the job in the description box. So kindly look into it. So if you like this video, kindly give a thumbs up for it and share this video with your friends so that maximum people would be getting benefited. And yeah, if you want to receive daily regular job updates or even more, subscribe to this channel. Till then, see you, bye bye.